Demonic Entities. Ang bidyong ito ay galing sa isang lalaking nakatirang mag-isa sa kanilang bahay. One night, habang nakahiga siya sa kanyang bedroom, ay bigla siya nakarinig ng tinig ng boses ng isang matandang babae. Nangingilabot man sa naririnig dahil mag-isa lamang siya sa loob ng bahay, ay hinanap niya kung saan ito nagmumula. At ang makikita niya ay talagang terrifying. Isang nakapangingilabot na tawa ng isang matanda ang maririnig sa kadiliman. Nang tutukan ng lalaki ng flashlight ang wardrobe ay isang kamay ang nakita nito. Agad niya itong pinuntahan pero walang tao, sino man ang nasa loob. And then bigla nagsara ang pintuan ng malakas. Napalingon ng lalaki at nagpalinga-linga pero mag-isa lamang siya sa loob. And then maririnig ang napakalakas na growling sound mula sa labas. He mustered the courage and get out of the room. Nang biglang ito naman ang makikita niya. Something or someone ang tila ba sumilip sa gilid ng hallway. Nang nilabot ang lalaki at napatras sa sobrang takot at dito na naputol ang video. Marami sa mga viewers nito ang labis na naglabot at nagsasabing kung sino o ano man ito ay malamang sa malamang ay sa itong evil entity. Gaya ng naunang video ay ganito rin ang karanasan ng lalaking ito na natutulog sa loob ng kanyang silid. He heard something outside his bedroom. Kaya naman lumabas siya upang tingnan ito. Wala man lang siyang kamalay-malay na may mararanasan siyang really strange and really terrifying.
Será que é gato que tá aqui? Mexendo as coisas. Mas não tem ninguém aqui. Ai, caramba. Acho que tem alguém aí. Que isso? Para! Que isso? Quem tá aí? Tranquei. Meu Deus. Mãe.
O que tá acontecendo?
Não sei. Parece que tem alguém aqui.
Nossa, tem que parar desses vídeos aqui. Eu tô com medo já dessas coisas.
Mas...
Tem batendo na porta.
Nang tignan nito kung ano ang nasa labas, ay wala naman siyang nakitang kakaiba except sa mga gamit na tila ba nagkalat. Pero nang biglang tumilapon ng gamit nito ay agad siyang napatras.
Caramba.
Isang nakapangingilabot at tinig ang narinig nito kaya naman napatras na siya papunta sa loob. Inilak niya ang pintuan. Nang nasa loob na siya ay biglang malakas na gumagalaw ang handle ng pintuan. Nang tila ba something or someone ang gustong pumasok.
Tranquei.
Dito ay naglakas loob na nga siyang buksan ang pintuan at tignan kung sino o ano ang nasa labas. Pero wala naman siyang nakitang kakaiba. Maging ang gate nito ay nakapadlock kaya naman malabong may makapasok at makalabas. So who or what ang gumagambala sa kanya? multo ng batang nalunod. Ang video naman ito ay nagmula sa fourth wall. In this particular video, makikita ang pamilyang nagsasaya. Sumakay sila sa isang boat upang mag-tour sa isang lawa, not knowing sa mismong lawa pa lang ito nalunod ang isang bata. At habang kinukunan sila ng video, ay something ang biglang marirecord. Watch closely. Nakita mo ba ang kamay na unti-unting lumapad sa gilid ng bangka? Tila ba gusto nitong abutin ng batang babaeng nakaupo sa gilid ng bangka? Maaari nga kayang ito ang multo ng batang sinasabing nalunod sa mismong lawa. Or maybe, this is something else. Either way, nasa iyong pa siya kung ano nga ba talaga ang nakunan nila. Night of Terror. Ang babaeng ito ay may anak na babae na di umano'y nakakaranas ng kababalagan tuwing sasapit ang dilim.
If your children are having night terrors, if they're waking up in the middle of the night screaming, freaking out, I need you to watch this.
Napakabata pa lang ng anak nito na nakakaranas na ng ganitong kaganapan. Di umano'y gumigising ito na tila ba takot na nagsisisigaw sa loob ng kwarto nito. Nag-share din ito online upang malaman kung ano ang posibleng maaaring mangyari. Magpagayon pa man ay ayon sa mga viewers nito ay normal lamang ito. Not until nang makita na nga nito ang anak na nagsasalita at nakikipag-usap. Dito na pagtanto niyang hindi na nga ito normal hanggang sa makaka-capture na nga siya ng something strange.
You know, my daughter started talking to somebody, like saying hi to things that are like 7 feet tall. Everyone says like, oh, it's just a common part of growth, or maybe it's because you and her dad are fighting. I just blew it off. Her toys would just go off by themselves.
Bigla na lamang umandar ang laruan ng anak nito pero hindi niya ito pinansin sa pagkakalang baka sakaling nag-malfunction lamang ito. However, it's keep happening again and again sa iba pang mga gamit nila.
And I had like a post on Facebook and I'm like, hey guys, does anyone know like why this would happen? And a lot of people came up with these answers like, oh, it's the radio waves. And some people are saying it's designed, like those toys are designed to draw the attention of the kid. So I just let it go. I thought that maybe it was just designed to do that. Or maybe it was the radio waves. I just didn't pay much mind to it. But it didn't just happen once. It happened multiple times. I have multiple occasions on camera where this happened. One toy goes off and I'm like, nope. I'm not doing this. I threw it away the next day. And I'm telling you, this toy was a toy that had like 17 different little soundtracks by Fisher Price. It'll be like, oh, blah, 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 it's the color. Instead, what it did was... no, I threw that away. I threw that away so fast. And the next day, a different toy, and I threw it away. Each time I threw them away. I'm like, not doing this. I threw it away. A different toy went off. For 6 days, a different toy would go off. And on this piano, you have to touch multiple spots. You can't just touch one spot and the rest goes off. You have to touch multiple spots. And this piano was like, like just going off.
Dahil nga sa mga strange activity na ito ay nagpasya na nga siyang maglagay ng CCTV camera ay not long after ay nakakapture na nga ang CCTV nito ng something terrifying. Bigla na lamang nahulog ang bowl sa shelves na kung titignan mo ay normal lamang. Pero napansin mo rin ba, isang pale hand ang makikitang tila ba naghulog nito. What makes this video even stranger ay nang mapatayo ang dalawang aso nito ay kapansin-pansin din na merong lumitaw sa gilid nila. Tila ba nagpasulyap-sulyap ito at hindi rin ito napansin ng dalawang aso nila. So what it could be?
And you look at this video and it is a demon baby. It disguised itself as a baby. It's my toddler's size. It has half of a face and it has hair. My daughter was bald. My daughter looked a lot like that. So who is this baby sitting on my couch with hair when I clearly went out there and didn't see anybody? After seeing that, I got spooked because something's in my house. Something's trying to torment my kid. She's been having night terrors, which do not blow off your kid. If they have night terrors, it is a spiritual attack.
Ang nakapangingilabot sa bidyong ito, di umano ang nakunan ay resemble sa anak nitong babae. At ang mga aso nito ay unti-unti nang nagiging agresibo. Umabot sa point na tila ba pati ang kapitbahay nila ay tinatahulan na ng aso nila. Di umano ay tila ba nai-stress ang aso nila sa imaheng nakikita nila. May mga nagsasabi din sa viewers nito na isa itong demon baby na siyang dahilan at nagtutorment sa anak nitong babae.
One of you mentioned, like, am I sure that I didn't have another animal? I was absolutely sure that the only two animals that I had were the ones sitting on the couch that you could see that kind of got up to investigate. This comment right here, that it's scary that my dog didn't notice it, that was my first thoughts, because I thought that kids and animals were both susceptible and sensitive to the spiritual realm. I guess not all the time. I mean, I guess same with the fact that spirits roam the earth 24/7. Just because kids don't see it 24/7 doesn't mean that they don't see them periodically. So I think that's what happened with my dogs. I think they from time to time did sense it because unfortunately I actually put my dog down. The gray one, I ended up having to put her down because she showed signs of aggression. She ended up attacking my neighbor and we tried to get her help. We didn't have enough money for a trainer and we didn't have the resources. The final decision was made when she looked at my daughter and was growling at her. She had like whale eyes, she was growling at my toddler, and I thought that she wanted my daughter's toy. So I stood between her and my child, I grabbed the toy from my baby and I was just like, are you wanting this? And she looked past me to like continue growling at my daughter. And after seeing this video, because I thought maybe she was just reactive and uncomfortable with my child, but I don't think that it was my child. After seeing this video, I'm convinced that it was this entity that was attached or following my daughter around, that it was making that it was growling at and wanting to attack or just being terrified of.
Naniniwala ang babae ng dahilan ng pagiging agresibo ng alagang aso nito ay dahil sa entityng nakatouch na sa anak nitong babae. Pero ang katanungan sa bidyong ito ay sino o ano ang nagpapakita at nakukunan nila. Until further updates, this one remains a mystery.